So in this prototype right here, what do you have as hardware right now in here, and how did you modify the tablet?
Inside this is a sender of information, and we have the identity, and then there is a printed antenna also. Now we've used silicon here to get it going. So what's happening here, that when I touch this package, it sends the identity through me into the application, and then the app knows that that identity is correlated with a package.
So you have battery-powered sender and a special adapter receiver.
Yeah.
So
this is really no product. This is a proof of concept, or I would say pre-proof of concept. Starting to explore something that could be around some years from now.
But we hear the Printed Electronics conference, and so is the idea, is the dream that this could be printed and very cheap?
Absolutely. It should be. Yes, that is really the key thing that we wanted to go to this sort of showcases, was that if you want to reach out to everything in the world, then everything in the world has print on it. If we can have printed electronics on it, sending this tiny little 128 data bits to our mobile device, then we can utilize all the power that is in a smartphone, which is tremendous actually, and we could also utilize, which is even more tremendous, all the power that is up in the network, and get information associated with everything. That is sort of the idea. So I'm really excited to see what's here now, and we've been working together with Linköping University, Creo, and others to really get this going in the first phase.
Because it needs to be costing just a few cents.
Yeah,
it needs to be mass-produced, like by the millions per day,
and it
very
needs
cheaply.
To be, which was also said by historians, so it needs to be sustainable.
Sustainable recycling.
We need to have, I mean, we cannot add unsustainable things to all the packages there is in the world. So it needs to be very.
So perhaps it can be melted and reprinted, like the ink.
Absolutely, reused. Perhaps if we can use whatever.
And energy harvesting could be one way.
Absolutely, you need energy harvesting, whatever way that is possible to send a transformer signal is very important, because a package, for instance, is almost always lonely. Nobody is there. So why should it be powered up?
Maybe it's only powered when you touch it.
Wake it up, or it gets energy by shaking, gets energy by electromagnetic energy coming from access points, the sun, you name it. I think there is a lot of innovation. But sure, energy is important. Energy harvesting, printing it, sustainability, and all that. And the price must be very, very low, otherwise it won't be there.
You were suggesting maybe even touching a table, then this transaction is a payment.
Yeah. Absolutely. I mean, when we started out with capacitive coupling, one could say that we didn't start out with printed electronics. We started out with simple things like, I want to send a picture to a flat screen, and it's that flat screen. I do not want to pair it in my settings. I just want to touch and send the picture and show my friends, just snap it like that. And then we did send music, pairing by wearing, put the earphones in, and they should be associated. That's the way we started. But then we really wanted to aim for something that is higher than that. So we went to check out, is printed electronics going to make it? Or when is printed electronics going to make it? When can we do industrialization of this, reaching out to all those packages, all whatever has print on it, which is of course much more than packages.
Cool. So hopefully it's happening very soon.
Yes, I hope so. Absolutely. Because I think the power of touch, I've called it, that is the simplicity of touching things. That is why we love to have a touch screen. It's not the touch screen per se. It's because we are designed to touch things. So that's why we think it's simple to do it. We are not designed to go into the internet, to the settings of our smartphone, finding a difficult name of something. That is not the way we are designed. So that is why I think this is a very, very interesting way.